Question number 11 from the extra credit assignment here. We want the equation for this line. And so basically we've got to do y equals mx plus b. So we're going to need the slope and the y-intercept. So normally to do this, you want 2 points from the line. And so basically I'm going to take these points from the line and try to space them out a little bit, because if you get 2 points close together and you get the slope off a little bit, then or get the points off a little bit, your equation will be way off. So I'm going to try to take them far apart. So this one I'm going to guesstimate to be like 50 on the bottom, and about, just kind of guesstimate that, call it 853 or something like that. And then if I take this point up here, that's about 90, and just to make it simple, I'm going to call it 863, probably more like 862. Maybe I'll do 862, make it a little bit harder on myself. So anyways, the slope then would be, if you do the y chain, so do the difference between these two, so 862 minus 853 over the difference between the x's, so 90 minus 50. So our slope is about 9 over 40. So I'll just leave it like that for now, and hopefully try to match it up with one of the choices. Okay, and then as far as finding the y-intercept, you could actually just kind of extend the line back and guesstimate it again, and that'd be about like 844. So the equation would actually be y equals 9/40 x for the slope plus 844 for the y-intercept. If you want to find the y-intercept a little more exactly, what you can do is take the equation and plug in like this point, or either point actually, and our slope, and then solve it for the y-intercept. So basically I would do y of 853, x of slope of 9/40, and then x of 50. So I'm taking this point right here for x. So sorry, at y, slope, and x, and then I can find b. So solve that for b. So basically multiply these and then subtract. So I would use a calculator here to do 9/40 times 50. Times 50. So that's about 11.25. And then minus 11.25 from both sides to get the y-intercept to be. So that would be 841.75, I think. Okay, so I think that'd be right. So that would be a little bit more precise. So I did 844 by just guessing, but maybe 841.75. So let's look at our answer choices here and see if I can find one that makes sense. So our slope we thought was about 9/40. So that's probably closest to 1/5. Like this slope is 1, that's no good. And 1/2's a little too big. Slope of 2 is too big. So it's probably one of these three. And then we thought the 842 is about the right y-intercept. So it looks like our best choice is D for that one. So that's kind of tricky, but it's a good review of finding slope and y-intercept, right? Find the slope, you need 2 points. The y-intercept, you could read it graphically or plug in x and y and solve it for b. All right, thanks for watching.